Hi guys, so we've got another challenge for you today. We'd love again if you show us your results of your drawings and send them in to us. So let's start. So we're going to start with a little egg shape about a quarter of the way down the page. And then we need another one just slightly higher. And then another one slightly lower beside it. Then I want you to join the 3 eggs up, 1, 2, and then make it a little bit here darker, and then darken the top of that egg that we join, top of the middle egg, the we join, and then the top of the third egg, and then a little dark bit down there too. Then I want you to put one circle there inside the first egg, one circle inside the second egg, and one circle inside the third. Then I need you to draw a wavy line, and then just a wee mark at either end. Then half a circle there with a wee curve at the bottom, a wee curve at the top, a wee curve at the side, another wee curve at the side. Then I need you to draw 2 lines up here, make them a little bit wider as they come down towards the middle egg, and then draw a little circle on top. The next thing I want you to draw is like a triangle shape, so go up and down, and the same up and down again on the other side, and then I want you to join these. Then you need to do a little line down here and a little curve there. The same on the other side, line down there and a little curve there. In fact, let's make that curve a bit bigger. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I want you to bring a little line down here at the bottom of that ear, one down there on the other side of the other ear, and join it up in the shape of a curve, like so. Then draw a circle here, and then draw like a hoop going around it, and then put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little dots, and then make this ring a little thicker, like so. Then I want you to draw a line, but not a straight line, more with a slight curve coming down to there, and the same on the other side, like that. Then I need you to draw a line to the middle, or just about falling short of the middle, and leave a little gap. Then I need you to draw a rectangle, like that. And then I need you to draw a line across there, and across there, and join them with a little curve. The next thing I want you to do is draw a little line coming out of there, and then a curve coming out of that ear. Then I want you to draw another curve like so, and then bring it down like that. And then I want you to bring this one down to about there. then a little curve like that, and then a little line like that. So we've got a wee curve going up and then another curve going the opposite way. Curve it at the top and bring it down. Now hands aren't my best, so we'll see how we go with this. Another wee curve there, and then up. Curve it at the top and bring it back down. Another wee curve there. Bring the curve back up. And then curve it at the top and bring it back down. And bring another wee curve like so. And then a wee line there. On the other side, another curve, then another curve. Curve it round to the top and bring it back round. Then a curve going this way, curve it at the top again and bring it back down. And another wee curve there, another curve coming out, round it at the top, and then back down, and then curve it back in, and your wee line there.